You can kiss my ass. It's Halloween. YOLO. What am I doing? Okay, my nut is off center. Hello, avocado eyeshadow. Are you getting avocado? Because I'm not. Guacamole. Hello everyone and welcome. Hi, I'm MishaG. You've never seen my face before. And today I'm going to attempt, to turn myself into an avocado. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. So I asked you guys over on Instagram what makeup looks you wanted to see for Halloween, and this was categorically what everyone messaged me about and responded about. So your wish is my command. I'm extremely scared, I'm not gonna lie to you all. I genuinely don't know what to expect. I don't know how this is gonna go. I have a rough idea in my head, but it's not like I could Pinterest ideas because I'm pretty sure no one's ever done this before. So if it was gonna be anyone, it was gonna be me. So yes, can we spot my little pumpkin in the background? But anyway, I'm gonna start with the eyes because I feel like I need a green smoky eye. Now, I know typically when you do a makeup tutorial, you would start with a blank canvas, but I already had makeup on and I thought it's just easier to use my basic filming makeup to build upon rather than start from scratch, or this video would be 70 years long. Yes, I'm in an avocado. It's actually a play suit, like pyjama thing, can you see, from Pretty Little Thing, and I just thought it was appropriate. So yes, I genuinely am petrified. Wish me luck, guys. I'm so scared, but I can't wait to be a full-sized avocado. You may have guessed, but I don't really have that much green eyeshadow in my collection. These palettes are the ones that I think I'm gonna be working with. So I think the main bulk is gonna be from Jordan Lipscomb's palette, and this is in the shade Trooper because it's got the green, even though it's a little bit dark khaki, but I'm thinking the crease. Then for the lid, this Juvia's Place palette, the Magic by Juvia's, is perfect. Look at Buzzo, that is the perfect green. And then I also have the Identity palette by Beauty Bay, and it has this lighter green. So I'm not really sure what we're gonna do, but I suppose all we should do is dive on in. If you just wanna see me doing the face painting bit, I will pop on the screen here when to fast forward to, but I'm gonna zoom you in even more, and we're gonna get eyeshadowing. Oh, where's my mirror? Here it is, again. I've got my cute little mirror from Spectrum. So I'm gonna go into the Trooper palette and I'm gonna go for this colour. I don't know if they're named. I don't think they are. The khaki colour. Okay, so I'm literally just gonna like pop this through my crease just to give a rough green colour. This eyeshadow is not gonna be a mind-changing, world-boggling, I said those the wrong way around. It's literally just so my eyes don't have to be face painted because I dread to think what that would look like. So this is where the exciting bit is, the Juvia's Place palette. This is the bit that I'm like, oh yes. I'm just gonna take a flat top brush, I'm gonna pop it into Buzzo, and I'm quite simply gonna coat my lid with it, just to create that bright green. That is such a nice colour green. Hello, avocado eyeshadow. Maybe I'll start just doing the avocado eyeshadow without the face paint. This is so imprecise. That was nice. But you guys get the idea. It's literally just so that my eyes don't feel left out, because no one would want that, would they? I'd normally put on my glitter eyeshadow with a bigger brush than this, but I couldn't be bothered to get up and get a bigger one. And this is actually applying it really nicely. But then again, these Juvia's Place eyeshadows are like actual bay. Like, just look at the colour. Oh, they're beautiful. Okay, I'm literally just packing it all over the lid. I may even grab a blending brush, and I know typically people say don't put glitter in your crease, but It's Halloween, YOLO. Oh my gosh, my main scare about this time of year is, remember when there was those creepy clown things last year? People used to get chased by like fake clowns. That would be my idea of absolute hell. I feel like people are probably gonna do YouTube videos pretending to be them, aren't they? Well, I don't like those people because I'm petrified of clowns. Absolutely petrified. I am going quite into the inner corner and the outer corner. I know currently it kind of looks like I've got a black eye, but hopefully when the whole looks complete it'll be a bit better. Well, this is an interesting look, guys. It's about to get exciting. Now I need to actually look at my arm to figure out how to do this and what sort of shape to do, and I really don't know, but I even went to the effort of going onto Amazon and ordering face paints, and I made sure that these are hypoallergenic, organic, cruelty-free, everything, because we know I'm a sensitive skin gal. Now, this has 2 shades of green. It has a reddish brown, a black, a grey. We've got every colour under the sun, people, but there's only certain ones that I need. So, I've also got a little shot glass of water, because as we can see, I'm not exactly the most creative person, so I don't have like a full-on area of face paint. But it comes with the world's tiniest brushes, hence why I have got an old wet beauty blender. But I feel like my first port of call is to map out the shape. So I'm going to take this slightly darker green, I'm going to pop it in my water and then slush it all around. I genuinely don't know what to expect, so if this goes awfully, it's on you guys. Now, what sort of shape is an avocado? Okay, so I'm gonna pencil out the shape. Oh my gosh, this is so stressful. Well, this is already not looking very avocado shaped. Poop, Misha, don't get it in your hair. Guys, what am I doing to myself? It's only now I've sat back and thought, Misha, why didn't you go to uni? I'm joking. Okay, yeah, apparently this is an avocado shape, people. Are you getting avocado? Because I'm not. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for the moment. I look like a 4-year-old has drawn some face paint on me. But let's get a slightly smaller brush, and I'm gonna go into the brown because I want to now outline the nut of the avocado. Not something I ever thought I'd say on YouTube. Okay, I keep on having to look and check. Okay, my nut is off center. Okay, right now, I'm that avocado that has a really bad nut to avo ratio. Apparently that's a circle. I'm as convinced as you guys are. This is a very fluorescent avocado. I'm not gonna lie to you all. Maybe I should mix the 2 shades of green because one of them's a bit too bluey. I mean, if your avocado was this colour, would you not be a bit concerned? But we'll just go with it. As we can see, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Who do I think I am? I'm not some sort of makeup expert. I expect too much from myself. Okay, I might actually now turn to my beauty blender because I'm a bit fed up of painting. So I'm gonna quite literally do as a professional would. I think I look more like a Smurf than an avocado. I'm not gonna lie to you all. Also, if you thought this avocado was gonna have multiple shades of green, then you were wrong. I'm not going for accuracy. What? I can already tell the title of this video is gonna be Halloween avocado makeup gone wrong. Maybe it'll get saved when I put the brown bit in. I don't think so, but you know, Misha's an idiot. Oh my gosh, wait, no! I should sing that song that that lady sings. Guacamole, guac, guacamole. I can't take myself seriously. Sorry guys, I can't get over what I've done to myself. I really didn't think this through. Like, I really didn't think this through. Also, do you wanna know the best bit about these face paints? They come with stencils. Who thinks I should have stuck to a stencil? Me. I might have to film my family's reaction. I'm gonna move on to the brown, which, I mean, if I had my way, it would save this, but the likelihood is very slim. Right now, I look like the avocado that got put in the reduced section that nobody wants because it's like gone off. Kind of feel like I'm putting on a mud mask on my nose. Kind of wish it was a mud mask. The sad truth is, this is this look done. What have I? I actually can't believe myself. Guys, look at me. Would you go to a fancy dress party like this? And when people go, sorry, what are you? Would you be like, duh, I'm an avocado, but this shade of green is like the weirdest shade of green I think I've ever seen in my life. I have no words. This is definitely not a Halloween tutorial. This is a Halloween fail. At least it makes my teeth look white. Actually, I don't know if it makes them look yellow. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed spending some time watching me turn myself into the worst avocado you've ever seen. Wait, if I go... I actually can't believe myself. It doesn't even look like an avocado, Misha. I'm gonna have to FaceTime Anya and Sam. And I'm gonna have to FaceTime Mum. I'm gonna put it down the bottom of my face first. And then once she picks up, and I tell her. Are you ready to see my transformation?
Oh my god, go and show us.
Are you ready? Mum's got down to her as well. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
No.
Hello?
What has she done?
Mum, how awful does it look?
No, it doesn't.
Mum, I look crazy. Love. Hey, Dad got it!
You said you want an avocado.
Mum, I look horrific. Like, actually horrific. Only my mum would be like, oh yeah, darling, it looks great, don't worry.
There should be a darker line around the outside then. Anyway.
Stick it up your avocado.
As in the skin, yeah?
As in the skin. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I should have done a black line around it. YOLO, we're past that point. Anyway, I'm now going to face Anya and Sam and see what they say. Are you ready to see my transformation for Halloween?
Yeah, hang on. Yeah.
What am I? What do you think I am? Think about it! What would I do as face paint?
Oh, you're an avocado.
I'm an avocado! This is like, I'm gonna have nightmares about this for the rest of my life.
I was wondering why you were laughing in your room by yourself.
Just realised I couldn't do this video without showing my best friend Chloe. The Scottish one. She better pick up on FaceTime or I'm gonna be so disappointed. She's gonna cry. Come on, Chloe, pick up.
Play.
Oh, Will's there as well. Brilliant. Are you ready for this?
Oh no.
Both of you come to the camera.
Yeah, we are. What have you done? Why are you smart?
What do I look like? What am I?
An egg.
No, Will, I'm not an egg.
I don't know, let me think.
How does no one get this? It's so obvious.
Oh, Charlie Chocolate Factory, the Oompa Loompa.
I am not an Oompa Loompa.
I have no idea what you are. It's not a smurf.
What would I be?
An alien.
Oh my god, if I was anything for Halloween, what would I be?
Oh,
A
a
scarecrow.
pregnant lady.
A pregnant lady.
It reminds me of like Nicole's belly when she walked.
Apparently my face paint reminds me of his sister's pregnant belly. Okay. Just look at the face. Just look at the green face.
That looks blue to me.
Yeah, I know, the colour came out weird. green with a brown bit in the middle.
I'm really confused.
I'm a blooming avocado!
Oh.
That is the worst avocado I've ever seen. What is that? Your face is blue, not green. That's how nasty straight I was thinking.
What's that eating real face then?
Oh, now we've had the whole family, apart from Sam. I'll pop his clip in now. Sam,
What the hell are you?
Do you not know? It's obvious, isn't it?
An avo.
yeah! I hope you guys have enjoyed laughing at me, because I certainly have. I am now going to douse my face in makeup remover and hope this doesn't burn me or leave any colouring. Imagine if I had to put loads of concealer on tomorrow because I was still green. That would be a sight. Anyway, it's now 7:33. Your gal's off to London tomorrow, so I need to get an early night. I'm gonna love you and leave you. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. I certainly will when I'm editing. So anyway, me and, was it Albert? I can't even remember the name of the pumpkin. I'm such a bad pumpkin owner. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Make sure this video a like and subscribe. Comment down below, just telling me what an idiot I am, really. Pretty please. And any other looks you'd want to see from me. Have a fabulous Halloween week. Imagine if I kissed someone. I mean, I don't kiss like that, just to put it out there. I'm just doing it for... I mean, you'd know who I kissed. Who did the avocado get with? You know me, flirty avocado. I just like to split myself into guacamole. Oh my gosh, I should read out loads of avocado puns. Hass is a type of avocado, in case you didn't know, and Hass also sounds like ass. Just thought I'd let you know. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Toodle pip, hope you've enjoyed. Bye bye. Work it, work it. You work that avocado. You make that guacamole. You guacamole, guacamole.